and welcome to another Beaumont blog. For all you that are new to the channel, that have just landed here by accident, well, this is our story. I am Anushka, I'm 2 boys and a very loving husband. Anyway, the whole point of our YouTube channel was so that we could vlog our Disney World trips for the future. We started getting used to the camera January this year. Our holiday never happened. We thought maybe we would stop this channel, but then we thought, you know what, let's film how we navigate through this strange time, like Stranger Things time. I mean, feels to me like we've all kind of gone asleep. Anyway, life's could be a bit boring. So we are trying to find ways to bring ourselves through this time, and we're vlogging for our own purposes, but also, you know, for anyone that's watching and that needs a bit of inspiration and needs a little bit of picking out of the, you know, the miserable times. So let's focus on the good, and eventually this channel will become a travel channel, but it's very difficult to have a travel channel when you can't travel. So there we are. That's the history. Glad you're here. Hope you like these videos. We come to you every week and we just talk about what we've done. Our last video went up on the 1st of November, so I should have remembered, but I didn't, and here we go. So what do we do at the start of the month? Our calendar. Our calendar changes every month, and this month's photo is our gorgeous Holly. Holly was our black lab, and she died in July 2019. So yeah, more than a year gone now, and she was 15, and she was the world's most amazing dog, and we love Holly. And now we just have Maisie now, who's I was about to say Maisie is totally crazy, but yeah, maybe she is calming down somewhat. And also at the beginning of the month we change our scent. Yay! Always a Disney scent, just to remind us of our second home. And this month's scent is Chippendale from the Fort Wilderness Hotel. Woohoo! So what happened this week? Monday we had our regular Gusto delivery. Yeah, food is brill. But all in all, good value, lovely tasty food, and I would highly recommend. I will put a link in the description for Gusto should anyone want to try it, and I think it comes at a discount. Winner. In this week's Postman Bring Me Joy, other than obviously the Gusto, which brought me joy on Monday, on Tuesday we had another parcel. On Wednesday, we had some eco refills. So here's what came. Me and Cole couldn't wait to get started, so we filled up all our empties. I'm going to clean my windows because the boys had a little fight with the tissue gun. Now, does anyone else think that this really weird piece of tissue that is stuck to my window looks a little bit like a magician? We could just put a little broom under there. It's like maybe Harry Potter. As good as he is, and completely random that it is, he's going away. This week, only one of our boys was back in school, so the eldest Cole was home with us. So we have been trying to juggle work and getting him to do his work. I think we managed. We got better through the week, and yeah, we've got all the tasks done that he was assigned. So I'm happy with that. But as you know, he's a boy and he has a bit of fun. So he had Alan for company this week. And the main event for this week was November the 5th. November the 5th is the day of Steve's brother's birthday, who's no longer with us. But we always celebrate Bonfire Night for that very reason. So we had fireworks in the garden.
God! Hey, I'm nice. Yeah, this is steaming a bit too much. Mom, this could steam up your phone and then your phone. You
still catch fire.
I feel brand new. You got me standing at the edge of the world with you.
report that no one died or got injured much during that filming. Yeah, so what happens now? We have Remembrance Day coming up. So we have kind of prepared for Remembrance Day, as you'll see. What's in the mail today? What's in the mail today? I wonder.
It's a bit of paper!
It is a bit of paper. In a plastic bag. And another plastic bag.
Well, that's really can't do it. Someone help him, surely, quick.
I can unpack a packaging thingy.
You can unpack a packaging thingy.
Unpack a packaging.
There. It's a big...
There you go.
Look at a big flag.
Hey.
And don't stop.
We did watch a film, 1917, last night, to get us, thinking about all those people that lost their lives for us. And yeah, it's a really good film, so I would thoroughly recommend 1917. See it, 5 stars from us. All these people lost their lives for us, and they did it so that we could live. And that's what we can do in honour of them, is live. And I feel like I'm living my best life most of the time. But as I said in previous vlogs, this is our 2-year anniversary from our last holiday, and we would be coming home around now. So I've put together a little video which shows our very first trip, which was 5 years ago, and our holiday 2 years ago, where we did we stayed on site at Disney, and then we did a Disney cruise around the Bahamas for my 40th, and then we did a couple of nights at Universal Studios. It was epic. It's left me wanting more, and yeah, I'll just have to wait. But here's a little reminder, and it's the last time I'll bang on about it, because, it's the anniversary of my last holiday. So here's a video.
Give it to me, all of your devotion, so intimately. Let's roll into motion. I know it isn't long since I first met you, but I never find it better, I'll bet you. I'm already sure I wanna be yours. So I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go. I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go.
A moment of sun shining in. I hear you knocking at my back door, telling me that you want some more. If I choose to give it to you, will you treat me like your mother? Yeah, yeah. Will you love me like your friend? Shining in, shine so good to be true. Yeah. A moment of sun shining in.
I also have to mention that my husband has decided to become a domestic goddess and has really gone to town with the Christmas preparations this year. And yesterday he spent all day making Christmas puddings. Get your orders in now. We're never going to be able to eat all of those. And that brings us to the end of this week's vlog. We are, from tomorrow, going to be out of our lockdown, so we can travel within Wales. We have been in lockdown now in Caerphilly, where I am, for like a decade, or at least since like before my birthday, September, which feels like ages ago now. So I'm really looking forward to being able to get out and about. What have we got planned for you? Well, next week, obviously, there's the actual Remembrance Day, so we will be settling down to another war movie and thinking about that. We've got Friday the 13th. Who knows what's going to happen Friday the 13th, but I feel like we should do something spooky because, you know, it's Friday the 13th. And Christmas decorations may be going up next weekend. It's not an absolute guarantee, but we are seriously considering putting up our decorations early this year, and that's the earliest that we would consider it. So maybe they'll go up on the weekend. And additionally, what I'd really like to do this weekend is go and see our boat. So we may have some footage of us going for a sail around the bay. I suppose that all depends on the weather. We'll definitely go, but depends on what we do when we get there. Yeah, so that'll do it for today. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. I love getting your comments. I like getting feedback. Yeah, and I'll see if I can bring you some more reviews soon. Bye.